Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Cello Quick Pop 300 toaster. This is a bread toaster from Cello. It has a upper cover aluminium plated body, crumb tray, stainless steel bread guide, non-slip feet, cord storage and cancel and red light indicators, 7 color brown control. This is a 700 watt bread toaster. It can toast 2 slices at a time and also comes with 1 year warranty. What other information do we have? A lot of information here. This is the crumb tray, cancel and light indicators, aluminium plated upper cover, carriage handle, cord storage, non-slip feet. But that's it. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. This is a warranty card from Cello. And this is the user manual for the same. Everything that you want to know about this particular toaster you will find inside this one. And this is the toaster in question. This is the Cello Quick Pop 300. It comes with aluminium plating inside, so where the bread slices will go in has this aluminium plating over here. This is the carriage handle right over here that will pop out once the bread is done making, and it also has this bright red color to it. The body, by the way, is made out of plastic. It's ABS plastic. It's solid plastic, but it's bright red in color. It will definitely stand out in your kitchen. The entire toaster has this red and gray color combination. Makes it look very sleek, I must say. What other stuff we have? This is basically your temperature control. And do we have any more stuff? This is your crumb tray. It's a very important this is a very important element. So this is where all the crumbs from the bread after it gets toasted will fall on. Then you can just remove and clean it. Do we have anything more? Okay, finally, this particular area is for the cord storage. So when you're done working with it, you can just, I'll just show you. In fact, let me just untie this cable tie. I will show you how it's done. So once you're done using this, you can put the cable in like so and wound it around this particular space. It's a little tight. It takes a little bit of getting used to be very fair. There you go. It's not that complicated. 2. Okay, and this is number 4. Okay, I've done something wrong clearly. I'll do it again. So let's try this again. It can go from here as well. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. The idea is that when you want to store it, you can just wound the cable, this particular wire, around these particular grooves and then store it wherever you want to. And this is what you will find inside the box containing the Cello Quick Pop 300 toaster. Thank you for watching.